Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Canva lag using playback quality settings. This is a great way to improve performance and make editing smoother, especially when working with videos or animations. On the Canva dashboard, if we have a video here and want to fix the lagging issue during playback, all we need to do is click on the video and go to Edit. From here, we just scroll down to the Playback option. We can adjust the speed here. Once we've made the change, we just need to check if everything looks okay. If the video is still lagging after adjusting the playback, we should press Ctrl H to clear the browsing data. Then we click to delete the browsing data. Once we have done that, another option is to refresh Canva. Sometimes it's just a small glitch in the browser. We can also close some browser tabs, which helps free up the browser and makes it run more smoothly. And that's how we fix the lag using playback quality settings.